my dear friends, welcome to my channel, that is Learning and Programming with Chetan. Friends, I am starting a web series on HTML and I will be creating videos step by step. So I want you guys to watch each and every tutorial and stay tuned with me so that by the end of this series you will be able to develop your own website. So let us start with our first tutorial on HTML. So my dear friends, I will be creating tutorials on the latest version of HTML, that is HTML5. Let us start with our first topic, that is features of HTML. So HTML is a markup language, and why it is known as markup language is because HTML contains various elements and those elements is used to format the text on web browser. Now HTML is easy to learn and it is easy to understand. So by watching these tutorials you will be able to learn about HTML language very easily. HTML is a platform independent language, which means that it can run on Windows, Linux or Unix, and at the same time it is also browser independent, which means that it can run on any browser. So you can use Google Chrome or you can also use Mozilla or Internet Explorer. Also HTML is case insensitive language, which means that you can write the code in uppercase as well as in lowercase, but it is generally suggested that we should write our HTML code in lowercase. Also we can easily add graphics to our HTML pages. We can easily add images, sounds and video contents to our web pages. Now let us discuss about the uses of hypertext markup language. So my dear friends, as I've already told you that by the end of this web series you will be able to develop your own websites. So HTML is used to create web pages and web applications. So my dear friends, web page is a document which consists of various components and contents, and it can be accessed on web by the help of URL. And web application is a combination of multiple web pages. Also, by only using HTML, we can design our static websites. Also, we can design dynamic website by integrating other web technologies with HTML. Like we can use JavaScript along with HTML to make our website dynamic. Now let us discuss about editors which we need to write HTML code. So for writing HTML code, we can simply use Notepad or we can also use Notepad++ so that we don't need any specific or bulky softwares to write HTML code. So you are able to understand that how easily we can develop an static website by using HTML. Now let us discuss about the file extensions of our HTML file. So my dear friends, whenever we write our HTML code, then we can save that file either using .html extension or we can simply use .htm. So here you can see that I have created a folder with the name HTML tutorial. I have created a file and it consists of HTML code and I have saved it with .html extension. So my dear friends, till now we have discussed about various features and uses of HTML, and we've also discussed about the editor which we can use to write our HTML code, and we have also discussed about the extensions of our HTML file. Now in our next tutorial we will see that how we can design our first HTML web page by using HTML. If you like the content of this tutorial, then do like, comment and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates.